Hi fam, this is OsoX for ZeroZeroXVids.com, on YouTube, Facebook and TikTok at OsoXVids, and on Instagram at Quantic Films. I'm also on Twitter at ZeroZeroXX. On today's video we'll do a couple of things. First, we'll unbox this Gunpla here. Second, we'll show you the final product, and third, we'll show it on my computer setup. I'll show it on the shelves next to all the other memorabilia and collectibles, as well as Gunpla. Alright, I'll have timestamps in the description below to go to different parts of this video so you can move forward. Alright, so the Gunpla in question, it's here, is the RX-0 Unicorn Gundam 03 Phenex in Unicorn mode. It's a full psycho frame prototype mobile suit from Gundam Narrative, and this is version narrative with gold coding, so it's a shiny gold look that it has, and we're gonna assemble it, we're gonna build it by hand with the help of some pliers. So this this kit here of a Gundam has these plastic parts that we need to snap out of their plates, or their this grid that it has, and it has maybe 4 materials in it: the gold plated, the gold coating, this transparent thing for the sabers, it has the silver color, as well as one that is rubbery and is very black. That's a darker gray. This is the instructions. It's just one whole sheet of paper. It's like one page. It's double-sided. One is colored, the other one's black and white with instructions in Japanese, but these instructions have gone a long way, so it's really easy to follow. The instructions are pretty clear, as well as the order of the assembling of the parts is pretty good, better than the first time I did Gunpla, and I did one of these models first, one of the first mechs, one of the Gundams. I remember from the series Gundam X, when I assembled that, it was a lot more difficult, and I did that without the pliers as well, so it wasn't as perfect as it has gotten now. So let's start by taking the first part, this first segment, out of the bag. So this is something of an ASMR video as well, because we can hear everything. Okay, so this is a gold coated set of parts. We're gonna use the pliers to take them out, and that way we're gonna start assembling our RX-0 Unicorn Gundam 03 Phenex in Unicorn mode. It also has a few stickers that we're gonna use, and like I said, there's different materials of this Gundam. So we have the gold coating, we have the black parts, we have the rubber parts, as well as the saber, which is transparent blue, and these parts come together, and this is a statue or a model that can move. It has articulation, so you can move the arms, the legs, even the wings, and then you can pose him. You can pose this figure in any way you want. It's another part with unbagging, taking out of the bag, and then we can assemble these little pieces one by one to form the whole model, which is a high grade. This is an HG, a Universal Century high grade model. And it's a pretty nice model. It's bigger than usual because the wings give them a better height, and you'll see that when it's finished. So let's take out this part real quick. I want you to see the detail on these parts, because they come together, and some of the detail you don't even see once the model is completed. You don't see inside these parts, but there's the detail in them. Okay, let's listen to the snapping and the cutting and the assembling. There's music in the background. It's my original music from album Escape, that's already on iTunes and Spotify, as well as Amazon Music. You can download it in the description below. I'll leave links for that. I will leave links for file sharing files directly from me, a free download for a 5.1 surround sound test, music test, as well as a 5.1 surround sound song, and download codes for the album Escape, free download codes from Bandai. You can download all 19 songs for free and listen to them on your favorite device. Those codes will be in the description below, as well as other build videos for Gundams or Gunpla, as well as some of collection of my latest gaming videos like Street Fighter, Robotech gaming videos. I have 360 VR gaming videos with picture-in-picture in them with full video capture. As far as I know, as long as I've been doing this, I think I'm the only one who does this kind of gaming videos in 360 VR when you can watch a direct feed of the game. So check those out. Let me know what you think of that. Don't forget to download my album. Don't forget to check my 360 VR music videos. Keep watching. Enjoy.
take note.